Hey there, saber fans. This is Levi with Korbanth Sabers. Today we're taking a look at the OWK1. I'm going to make a little guide here on how to turn on and off the saber and how to charge your battery. So let's get into it. We've taken the covertec knob and turned it into a thumb screw. So you go ahead and loosen this thumb screw. Side to side. Now this shroud here actually rotates, exposing the chassis and the battery here. So here's the on-off switch. Go ahead and turn that on.
Good job.
And here's your ignition switch. And this is the font button.
Only a Sith deals in absolutes. I will do what I must.
If you would like to charge the battery, which you should probably do once you get your saber, we recommend you take the thumb screw out, expose this side, and then unscrew the pommel. Now be careful because there's two places it can unscrew. You want to unscrew from here. Go ahead and take that off. Now these chassis are in there pretty tight, so we recommend taking the shroud off, getting a good grip like this, and using your thumb strength opposed to pushing on the pins. Use your thumb strength and get it to come out like this. Oops. There you go. Once you get started, it's pretty easy. There's our Profi, USB port, there's your two switches. Alright. And you can use a flathead screwdriver or something else to get this battery out of here. Charge it up, then put it back in. Yep. Goes back in pretty easy too. Just a little bit of thumb strength here at the end where it's nice and tight. There you go. Then put the shroud back on, like so. Turn that down. Once again.
Good job.
There's a switch. Line up the hole here and put the covertec knob back in. It's functioning as a thumb screw. I got that aligned just right. Here we go. Tricky one. I think I finally got it. There you go. You don't need to over tighten this either. And there you are. That is the OWK1. Thanks for tuning in, Saber fans. Catch you next time.